Hi and welcome back to a short video I've just put together to commemorate the 80th anniversary, or birthday if you like, of my Lister D-Type. This particular Lister, a Spec 12 DH, was delivered to Mr. William Cook. They were an agricultural supplier or agricultural wholesalers in Peterborough, and the recorded delivery date was the 18th of August 1942, so that date has just recently passed, making the engine 80 years old, or at least 80 since it was first delivered. It may well have been made some time previously, but that's the best date I've got with regards to its age. That was originally obtained from the Lister archives from a guy called David Eddington, who at the time held all the records for the archive, and he was able to inform me from the serial number when that was first delivered. It was actually a pair, two were delivered, so you know, whatever happened to the second one I never know, and exactly what they were delivered for, to do, what they were intended to run, whether they were going to be used in machinery made by this particular agricultural wholesaler or retailer, is anyone's guess really, but thankfully mine survived. So I thought I'd just put this short little video together just to remind us what it looked like when I first got it, pre-restoration, and also to just have a little run, fire it up, and see what it's like. So there she is, the birthday girl at 80. Not looking too bad. It's been quite some time since it last run. The flywheel is a bit rusty. The brass work, everything else doesn't look too bad itself, you know. The trolley handles and wheels could possibly do with a coat of paint, as you can see there. I'd say there's quite a bit of rust on there. That will clean off once it's running. Bit of emery cloth on there, that'd be fine, but everything else isn't looking too bad. The hopper, looking there, that's fine, that's fairly clean and tidy. Yeah, so that's the Lister D itself. This is the other project I've got on the go, the Petter A1. Hopefully that will be finished soon, and then I can have two stationary engines running together, which will be nice. But yeah, let's just remind ourselves of what this engine looked like when I first got it. So there you can see the D-Type as purchased. It cost me £40. Bit of a basket case really, quite rusty, more or less complete, no exhaust silencer. It had a fuel tank, it had a mag. The mag didn't work, as you can see, but more or less it was complete. It just needed a lot of attention and TLC. There it is with the head off. You can just about make out the sort of rust inside the water jacket. There's a close-up there. You can clearly see the amount of rust inside the water jacket, and to that extent I then cleared it all out, and you can see there, you know, the amount of stuff I got out of there. Yeah, it had been stood for quite a while. So anyway, that's enough of me waffling on. Let's listen to the Lister D running at 80 years old, still doing well, and hopefully we'll go on and do another 80 years.